Okay, time to plate up this wonderful meal here. And we've got first the pasta with this amazing sauce. And a little bit of these carrots. Yeah. Okay. We've got a piece of this grilled tomato. For a garnish, I've selected fresh basil. We're going to put some of this sliced steak around the plate, just like this. And a little bit of fresh rosemary. The finished meal. Thank you for watching, and once again, the finished meal. Thank you for watching, and once again, you can learn more about this meal as well as the world's best pan. Marinated beef sirloin, beef flavored fettuccine, julienne carrots, grilled tomato, and fresh herbs. Thank you for watching the presentation. Comment and tell us how this recipe worked out for you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Star anise. Oh, it's a really, really nice quality. Hard to find.